Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE 5G, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and here just tap to the Bluetooth and device connection section, and right there you will see the NFC section. Just to turn on this option, here tap once on the switcher and that's it. And if you want to turn it off, tap here on the switcher again. And also got a second way, just go to the notification bar, and right there you can see the NFC icon, and just to turn on the NFC, tap here again once on the switcher and you will turn on the NFC. And if you want to turn it off, tap here on the switcher again, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.